Blue Byte Experience Studio allows you to manage and edit all of the digital experiences associated with your account. With the Experience Studio, you can deploy responsive experiences across multiple devices and create custom content and layouts by using our components. First, let's learn how you can access the Experience Studio. One way is to use a direct link, studio.mtag.io/login. Make sure to bookmark the link for later. Another way is through the Blue Byte website. Once on the Blue Byte website, click on the Sign In button located in the top right corner. Log onto the dashboard and click through the Studio on the menu and you'll be redirected to the Experience Studio. Now, the Experience Studio structure. This is the Experience Studio home screen. Here, you'll be able to access your dashboard and view all of your Experience Studio files. The search bar at the top will help you locate your desired file faster. With each studio file, you can also redirect to the linked dashboard, delete, duplicate, and click through to edit. The studio is made up of the following sections: Menu, Info, Configure, Components, Details, and Palette. Within the Experience Studio, you can easily manipulate the digital content by adding different components, wrappers, and variables without extensive knowledge of code. The menu is located here. With the menu, you can go back to the Experience Studio homepage, back to the dashboard, or sign out. In the Info section, you will be able to modify the studio file's name and description. These identifiers not only help you locate the specific file in the studio, but can also be used to link Experience Studio files to an object in the dashboard. Here is also where you can save and instantly preview your Experience Studio file. With the changes you make, the studio will prompt you to save in order to preview the updated experience. There are 3 parts to this section: Experience, Analytics, and Cookie Banner. On the Experience portion, you can set the background color or select an image to display for the whole experience. Changing the background color will change the color for the entire experience. You can also upload an image and set the background. You can also set the component style to either default or none. This is how the default setting looks. It places consistent padding around the entire experience. Setting it to default will help you create a more uniform experience without many adjustments around padding margin for each item. This is how the none setting looks. As you can see, it removes the set padding. In this setting, it gives you more bandwidth to manipulate each section to have its own unique padding and margin. The Analytics portion allows you to integrate and configure Google Analytics by pasting one's Google Analytics information. The Cookie Banner option allows you to add a cookie banner to your experience. Use the menu options to enable the cookie banner, choose between a light or dark theme, and paste your privacy policy URL. This is what adding a cookie banner to your digital experience looks like. This section lists all of the possible components, campaigns, and wrappers used to build unique, dynamic digital experiences. You can directly add a component to your experience by clicking the plus sign next to each item. In the Component section, you can view and directly edit your selected list of components, campaigns, and wrappers used for the specific studio file. The order of these items can be managed using the drag and drop tools and also duplicated or removed within this space. The components can also be duplicated by using copy and paste through your browser's menu options or keyboard shortcuts. The associated options of the original component will also duplicate when using this method. We'll go over the customizable options for each component next. The content of this section will dynamically change based on the selected item. Here, you can access an overview of the selected item and further adjust the item's options and styles to customize. Let's go over one component example, image. Once the item is added, you will be able to click on the specific item and see all of the available options. The Options section gives you an overview of the component selected. Here you will see the adjustments and edits that can be made to the item. This section will change the most across different items listed in the Palette section. Moving forward with Blue Byte Academy videos, we'll publish more in-depth tutorials of all items and what's possible with each. And now you know the basics of the Blue Byte Experience Studio.